Welcome to our Wear OS Watch Face review video. Today, we're diving into the features of the Dogs Club Watch Face 088. Dogs Club Watch Face, meticulously crafted with animation's stunning graphics. The animated dog head responds to the gyroscopic movements. Seamlessly switch between 12-hour and 24-hour time displays, matching your phone settings. Stay updated with the date, day, battery level, and step count at a glance. Easily keep track of the week of the year with convenient indicators. Explore 30 color theme options to personalize your watch face according to your preferences. Set 10 cute puppy dogs from settings option. Pug, Terrier, Bulldog, Husky, Rottweiler, Retriever, Chihuahua, Shepherd, Dalmatian, and Labrador. Add visual interest with 2 icon or small image complications and 2 small text complications from a diverse selection of choices. The full and optimized bright always-on mode offers a better and pleasing appearance, especially during the night. You can find the Play Store link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.